Hi there, welcome back to my channel Crazy Coder PICTOBLOX. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a quiz game using Python. Let's start by creating a new Python file. I'm going to call mine quiz_game.py. The first thing we need to do is import the random module so that we can randomize the questions. Next, let's create a list of questions and their corresponding answers. I've created a sample list, but you can customize this to suit your needs. Now that we have our questions, let's shuffle them using the random.shuffle function. Great! We're almost done with the back end of our quiz game. Now, let's create a loop that will iterate through the shuffled list of questions and ask the user for their answer. Inside the loop, we're going to check if the user's answer is correct by comparing it to the corresponding answer in our list. If the answer is correct, we'll print a message saying so. Otherwise, we'll print a message saying that the answer is incorrect. And that's it. We've created a simple quiz game using Python. And there we have it, a fully functional quiz game using Python. Of course, you can customize this game by adding more questions, changing the questions and answers, or even adding a scoring system. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a quiz game using Python. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.